made asparagus. We added a little twist to it by adding onions and some spices. Asparagus is an excellent source of folate and vitamin K. It is also a very good source of iron, vitamin A, C and E. It has some compounds which are very good for your eye health. It promotes eye health. Now, it is also known as a brain booster because it fights the cognitive decline of your brain. Now, it is also ranked as one of the #1 vegetable which actually helps neutralize the free radical. That means it slows down the aging and it also reduces inflammation from your body. In today's recipe, we didn't add any tomatoes, but you can definitely add some chopped tomatoes or cherry tomatoes just before adding the garnishing, and make sure you saute for a minute or two and then add the cilantro because that helps bring out the flavor more. And if you're not very fond of spices or this type of Indian style asparagus, then you can just use some fresh garlic or garlic powder and lemon juice because it tastes better. So that's why asparagus has this balanced flavor. So try this recipe, leave your comments in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more of these kind of videos, and we are coming up with more lifestyle videos, so stay tuned and do subscribe. Thank you.